Hello, friends. This is Bharat and Meena Trivedi.
Varsha and Dilip.
Sapna
and Gaurav Lal.
Suvarna,
Arya,
and Manoj Khari.
Ilanga.
Sejal Desai,
Smita
and Vivek Chaudaha.
Anjali Desai,
T and Deepak Arora.
Pawan
and Rinki Agrawal,
Sid,
and Archana Nair,
Danny,
and Rinku Mehta,
And Sunil Kiani.
Priyanka,
And Vinay Kedia.
I'm Johnny Jenkins.
Kiran Fincher,
Raj.
and Aradhna Asava.
Together.
We support
Good afternoon, friends. We are Raj and Aradhna Sava welcoming you to the Hunger Mitao segment. As you know, through this radio show, we raise awareness about the rampant hunger issue right here in North Texas and share ways in which each one of us, in the spirit of give where you live, can and is making a difference.
Welcome to your own segment. Please visit ntfb.org/hungermitao to learn how Hunger Mitao, a purely volunteer movement, helps North Texas Food Bank in its fight against hunger. Again, the website is ntfb.org/hungermitao. Hunger Mitao is not an organization you have to join. It is a movement. Anybody with Indian ties wanting to fight hunger in North Texas through North Texas Food Bank is already actually a part of this raging movement.
I'm so glad you clarified this, Aradhna. We often get questions from people about how can they join Hunger Mitao. They're already part of it. It's simple. There are a few things to know. Know that there is a tremendous hunger in North Texas, even in our own neighborhoods, even in the schools where your children are going. Know that North Texas Food Bank, through its reach and scale, distributed 95 million nutritious meals last year and still fell short. Know that COVID conditions have made the lines for food assistance very, very, very long. You all have seen that on television. Know that the Indian American community of North Texas has partnered with North Texas Food Bank through a movement called Hunger Mitao. This is our movement, friends. It has shown amazing compassion, philanthropy, and generosity of the Indian community and has enabled 8 million meals for North Texas Food Bank service areas. And across the US, Hunger Mitao has now enabled 30 million meals. You can learn all about this at hungermitao.org.
And Raj, we want to dedicate today's segment to our upcoming 2020 Hunger Mitao Gratitude and Awards Night.
I can't wait.
This is our first event of its kind. It's on Friday, November 6th from 6 to 7:30 p.m. And listeners, in light of current situation, we have made it a free online event so you may enjoy it with your family.
In the comfort of your home.
In the absolute comfort of your home and safety.
Yes.
Registration, however, is mandatory. So if you have not already done so...
By the way, many people have registered, Aradhna. Just want to let you know, we already have registration past 75 people. And this is 10 days ahead of the scheduled date.
This is fantastic.
It is amazing. So these seats are going fast. How can they register?
So if you haven't already done so, listeners, please sign up today at ntfb.org/hungermitao.
The main objective of this celebration is to thank the Indian American community in North Texas for its huge heart. People helped feed the hungry in so many ways. Kids bought Hunger Mitao piggy bank. Folks did creative, innovative fundraisers. People shared hunger facts with their friends. They volunteered together, donated together, conducted food drives in their neighborhoods. Many made multi-year commitments to donate to North Texas Food Bank. And so many of them donated auction items for this November 6th event. We are so grateful to individuals and businesses and organizations and associations who have sponsored this celebratory evening. A special call out to Dhruv Chopra for sponsoring this event, one of the sponsors of this event.
It has been an amazing journey. North Texas Food Bank has begun to rely on the efforts of our community through Hunger Mitao.
That's right.
And through this journey, there have been a few people who have helped take Hunger Mitao to the next level. A community engagement movement requires care and feed. And our award winners on November 6th will be recognized for their unique efforts.
Yes.
So please join us to cheer our awardees.
And who are they, Aradhna?
They are your friends, listeners. They are Reina Daniels, Eddie Raj, DFW Gujarati Samaj, Sudhakar Pennam of Kairos Technologies, Suresh Potluri and his Friends Against Hunger, Fun Asia, Surdan, and Varsha and Dilip Shah.
Yes, amazing leaders. And friends, if we had a choice, we would give an award to every one of you because of your compassion. At this November 6th event, leaders from Feeding America and North Texas Food Bank will join us to shed light on the current situation. What is the second wave doing to this whole hunger issue? And also, from an entertainment point of view, a group called Virtual Arts of Humanity, a student group, has partnered with Hunger Mitao to provide amazing entertainment. You will just love it. Bollywood songs that you can rock to. I'm excited to see how they use technology and collaborate for these performances during this pandemic.
I know our gala team has set aside many fun things for prizes that evening.
Prizes, I
So
love it.
listeners, register and be there.
Yeah.
This is a very family-friendly event and will keep all generations interested and entertained.
What else do we have?
And we haven't even talked about the auction yet.
Oh, goodness.
Oh, the silent auction. I was reviewing the items that are being loaded on the auction site. Raj, I may be bidding on all of those myself.
Why am I not surprised?
We have Apple iPod Pros, wellness services, online cooking classes, amazing artwork, beautiful real jewelry, Yadro figurines,
Wow.
awesome gift items, saris, evening gowns, spectacular costume jewelry, many restaurant gift cards. The
My
list goes on and on and
Goodness.
Of course, listeners, all proceeds of the auction go to North Texas Food Bank, helping them feed the hungry through these cold months.
And also, if you want to donate to the food bank, consider being a sponsor at this event. You know, friends, this is not an active fundraiser, but we would love if you would step up and take one of the sponsorships. We have sponsorships for $1,000, $2,500, $5,000, $10,000. A sponsorship is essentially a donation to the food bank. We are still accepting sponsorship and auction items. Please let us know if you are interested in either of those. And remember, do not forget to register for the event by visiting ntfb.org/hungermitao. Every 50th person to register will win a cool prize.
I would like to clarify for our listeners, there will be no active fundraising at this event.
So this is purely a gratitude and awards night.
And entertainment.
And entertainment, of
Yeah.
course,
We
showing
will-
our appreciation.
We will not be making an ask.
Okay. But if people want to give,
There will be ways where
There will
people
be-
can give, yes.
Okay, great.
The focus for this evening is recognizing the work of our awardees and celebrating the contributions of North Texas-based Indian American community towards helping feed everyone in North Texas. A community that unified to support the North Texas Food Bank so no one goes hungry.
unify. What an important word, Aradhna. It's only because of the unification we are able to say that we have enabled 8 million meals here. And it was our galvanization, unity of our community subgroups behind a common mission that made these large numbers possible. As they say, alone we are small and insignificant, but together we can move mountains.
And we've seen that here.
Yes, indeed.
North Texas Indian American community, thank you. Thank you for caring, for volunteering, for helping organize awareness events, for running food drives, for making donations, for becoming multi-year donors, for giving your time, for giving in kind. Thank you, Fanasia, for becoming our mouthpiece.
Yes, huge thanks. While we pause to celebrate the 8 million meals enabled milestone, our work needs to continue, friends. Friends, I want to re-emphasize this pandemic continues. The second wave looks like it's going to be worse than the first wave, and we are entering the winter months with flu, etc. So please, this is not the time for us to pause. This is the time for us to figure out how we can help our community where we live. Our mission, friends, is Hunger Mitao. And Hunger Mitao is as much about eradicating hunger as it is about unifying the fragmented efforts of our community and focusing it on the humanitarian cause of hunger.
Let us come together as the entire Indian American community and continue to show how any place we call home benefits from our presence.
We give where we live, so our community benefits from our presence.
So until next week, friends, remember, we may never be able to eradicate hunger, but let us ensure no one goes hungry.
Hello, friends. This is Bharat and Meena Trivedi.
Varsha and Dilip.
Sapna,
And Gaurav Lal.
Suvarna, Arya,
And Manoj Khadi.
Ilanga.
Sejal Desai,
Smita
and Vivek Chaudaha.
Anjali Desai,
T. And Deepak Arora.
Pawan.
and Rinki Agrawal.
Sid.
And Archana Nair.
Danny.
And Rinku Mehta.
And Sunil Kiani.
Priyanka,
And Vinay Kedia.
I'm Johnny Jenkins.
Kiran Fincher.
Raj,
And Aradhna Asava,
together,
we support